How to customize power saving mode on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn it on and adjust the settings to get the most out of your battery. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Battery. After that, tap Power Saving. At this point, toggle it on at the top to enable power saving mode straight away. From here, you'll see a list of toggles you can customize, depending on how aggressively you want to save battery. Following this, the first toggle is Limit CPU Speed. Turning this on caps your processor at 70% speed, which reduces performance slightly but saves a noticeable amount of battery. After that, you'll see Decrease Brightness by 10%. Enabling this lowers your screen brightness slightly, since the display is usually the biggest drain on your battery. From here, toggle on Use 60Hz Screen Refresh Rate to lock your screen at 60 Hz instead of a higher refresh rate, which helps reduce power consumption further. At this point, you'll also see a toggle for Turn on Dark Mode. Enabling this switches your interface to dark backgrounds, which uses less power on AMOLED displays. Following this, scroll down and you'll find Screen Timeout. This is automatically set to 30 seconds in power saving mode, so your screen turns off quickly when not in use. Finally, if you want maximum power saving, toggle on Limit Apps and Home Screen at the bottom. This simplifies your home screen and restricts access to only essential apps to squeeze out as much battery life as possible. That's how you customize power saving mode on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.